Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors. It's the VMI, got the power ramp slides out. You can see it's got the kneel. The back end's lowering down there to lower the angle coming up inside the van. This van only has 750 miles on it, like new. Picked this up at auction. 30 inches wide, 57 inches coming inside the van, then about 62 once you're inside the van. So if you got someone a little taller that needs that extra room, most of these vans do not have anywhere near 62 inches of room. This one does. You got the leather seats in here. Those will fold down if you want to go on a trip or anything. You need some more room to haul your luggage. They'll fold down super easy. Make more room to put all your luggage back here. It's got the Q-lock, which you can actually lock your chair into, so you don't have to mess with the tie downs. It does have the upgraded Q strengths though if you do need the tie downs. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. This Q-lock docking system, it's about a $2,000 upgrade. Comes with free with the van as well. It's got the sure deploy, the ramp in and out. Also, and you can remove these seats. So say you wanted to park your chair back here. If you're nimble enough, you could slide between the seats, come up and sit in the driver's seat and drive. If that's not an option, you could park back here and maybe remove the seat and come into the driver's seat there and be 100% independent. No more waiting on rides, no more asking people if they can take you places. You go when you want to go. Got your steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road, backup camera, navigation. Got your heated seats, cup holders, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. And you can operate all the power doors up here as well. It's even got the moonroof. I'll show that to you here in just a minute. I do want to show you on the moonroof. I always check for leaking on these things. You always want to check that on a moonroof. No signs of any water damage or anything like that. I mean, it's a dang near brand new Toyota. Those don't leak, but I check everything. I don't care if it's brand new. I don't care if it's older. I check them all. So you can also shut the conversion from inside the van. We can also do it here with the button. Raises back up. Let's do a walk around on the van. It's got tinted windows. It's got your roof rack. We even have the power trunk back here. A little different perspective for you. Pull this up real quick. There we go. Just a little perspective of how it all looks up front. We've got our spare tire back here as well. And you can also shut the trunk electronically like that. So walk around to the van. This van is darn near brand new condition. These tires are Firestones. You know, like the rest of the van, have 700 miles on it. Got the alloy wheels. Nice, clean van. It's very, very nice. Very great shape. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it, it's simple. It's low overhead. I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 50 locations. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have compared to our one location. That, and we're right in the middle of the country here in Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. So those two factors, that's how we beat their prices by $5,000 to $10,000 per van. It's just simple economics. Overall, darn near brand new condition, excellent shape. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. A lot of these people on Facebook Marketplace, and by the way, Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. But they cut out our sign up there. They take this picture of this van and they'll post, $30,000 with a $2,000 deposit. They're trying to get you to send them the $2,000. You say to them, make me a video of the VIN number. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I have this van here in my possession. They couldn't do that because they're just taking pictures. They don't actually own these vans. They don't even live in this country. They're trying to scam us. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number to protect yourself. All right, also what we do is do a free Carfax on every one of our vehicles. I check these before I buy the vehicle. Every dealer should be doing this. But 2 owners, no accidents or damage. Now, when VMI buys the vehicle, they are the first owner. So technically this has only had 1 owner. But so VMI and then the second owner. So 2 owners, no accidents or damage. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,573 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. You can see our 4.8 out of 5 stars out of 326 reviews. You know, I hear a lot of horror stories about people buying from private individuals, you know, someone they knew nothing about, or they buy from the dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. There are people out there selling rental cars. Or they end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, a major mechanical issue, you know, bad engine, bad transmission. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and the low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It's got the 1 key, 1 fob with it. We can get an additional fob made on your dime. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the second fob. But as being for the van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Clean leather seats here. This van's like in brand new condition. Super nice, super clean. And one thing I love is got the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, simply get in the van, put your foot on the brake, push button start, and you're ready to go. So it's got the easy lock. It's going to beep at you until we hit this button right there. And it has a beep in the back. It's called Park Sense. That radio works. It's something VMI puts on their vans to help you with parking and assisting on parking. And it beeps for about 15 seconds. So you can see all the dummy lights work out. No check engine lights, no airbag. You got your navigation here. You got your backup camera. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power, mirrors, and windows and locks. Show you them all working. Tested the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Just because this vehicle had 700 miles on it doesn't mean we didn't inspect it. I don't care how many miles are on the vehicle. We inspect them thorough before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.5 V6 engine. Idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. And it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, you know, from being up north. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it only has 700 miles on it. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. They assume it runs and drives good. Folks, you know how many vehicles I see at auction that are brand new, like brand new, that have flood damage? What happens is these dealerships, they'll get flooded. They'll take that vehicle to auction and let it be someone else's problem. So if a vehicle that's brand new can have flood damage, I guarantee a vehicle that's 700 miles on it can have flood damage as well. So what I want you to do, go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's an individual, do they show you their reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage? Do they get out on the ground and take pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So you can see no bent frame from an accident underneath here, no signs of any flood damage. Do they get up on the roof and show you there's no hail damage, no holes drilled in from being a taxi? You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week? They have the roofs all destroyed from one of those two things or from being hit by something, but they don't repair it because no one checks the roof. Jeremiah Coleman with Affordable Mobility actually checks the roof. So make sure you get the full story on the vehicle before you buy. Tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody that's a shady individual, or you get a van that won't pass inspection in your state because the frame is bent or damaged from an accident or a flood. In both of those cases, and in many more, you can't drive the vehicle if that happens. You just bought a paperweight. So to avoid that and so many more problems, demand 4 things from no matter who you buy from. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. You're not buying a brand new pairs of Nike off eBay. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because I want to know before I purchase what I'm buying. Anyone that really cares what they're buying is going to get a Carfax before they buy, and we definitely make sure that happens. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. This van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And like I said, I'm up here on the roof showing it to you. You get the full story on our vans, not just a couple pictures. So let's get her out for a drive so you can hear it. Final portion of the video, I always like to get the fans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Let me get some space here. I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour, but steering wheel is nice and straight. Runs and drives like a brand new Sienna. Very nice. There we go. It's got the lane departure warning, so if you start to drift out of your lane, it will beep at you. 70 miles an hour, no problem. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. It's got the adaptive cruise, which will keep you a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you. A lot of great safety features on this van. And do keep in mind, we do have the 90-day warranty on here, complimentary warranty, but we do have long-term warranties that cover not only the van, like factory type warranty on the vehicle, but also covers the conversion. That's a good investment. The conversions can get somewhat costly to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in a fine print. Look at the lane departure warning over there. Also the blind spot, it's orange. There's a car in my blind spot over there letting me know. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt myself there, but no hidden fees. A lot of the dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in a fine print, $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of shipping, by the time you add up all their hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. By the way, you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Runs and drives just like it should. But back to the hidden fees. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. If you'd like to call or text us, preferably text. Text is by far the quickest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone on my staff can respond to you. But 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to, call or text me. So I challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying car salesman, give us a call, preferably a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, or if need be, get in touch with us. We can take one over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I mentioned earlier, it's a major purchase. I want to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Help us maximize your time and ours. Call or text to make that appointment. And if you would like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.